This is a paint spray, this is a clear case, this is paint, and this is a little simple brush. And today I'm going to be making this clear case into my own custom case. I'm going to be wearing this hat the whole video. So please click the subscribe button. By the way, we can't do that right here in my room, but we can do that outside. So let's go. Okay, so we are all set up, as you can see. This is all our stuff. By the way, this is the design of the case I'm gonna do. So stick around to watch how it's gonna turn out. And this whole video is gonna be a time lapse. I hope so. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh my god, guys, I just messed up everything. I need to start all over again now with this paint spray. Okay, that's it. And I'm gonna wait again. That's it. I'm really stupid. Okay guys, I just changed my idea for the drawing part and I wanna draw something different right now. It's not gonna be this one. I'm gonna think of something else, just better than all of this. Okay, so it's been like 30 minutes right now and I think this case is dried now. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting stuff on it. If you wanna see me do that, you're gonna see it in a time lapse. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that so this is the result so far. It's missing something. I'm not gonna show you what, but that's it. This is the result so far. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and yeah. Okay, so if you like more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and like the video. Peace!